What process did you follow with Kalicube?
So the process I followed with Kalicube wasn't the process I expected to start with. What I mean by that is this. And what I did is I said, well, hey, I've written these books and I've done this and I've done that, I've done the other, and here's a link to a bunch of articles. But what I learned is that the most important thing you need in order to run a successful Google Knowledge Panel campaign is clean data. And I live in AI. And so if you were going to do any kind of business implementation that leverages AI, the most important thing you have to do first is make sure that your data is clean and it's accurate and it's consistent. And it's the same thing with the Google Knowledge Panel. So for example, let's say I have, and today I have, I believe, 100 different websites where I have a profile, a picture, and a brief description of who I am. If all 100 of those websites, those profiles describe me as something different, what happens is Google is confused in the same way that AI is confused. So doing things as simple as identifying where all of your profiles are, making sure you've got the same picture, you've got the same description, and all of those things relate back to your website, to your social media, and anything else that you have online. It's helping to brand and identify who you are, describe who you are, is so important. So again, the number one thing that I did to start this process, and that you'll do as well, is to make sure that your data is clean and consistent. And here's the thing. The guys over at Kalicube are pros. Like, they don't expect you to know where to start and all the places to look. So they're going to give it to you. They're going to help you by saying, okay, look, here's where we start. And here's a checklist and a step-by-step, and you're just going to follow it. But again, in the end, you'll end up with the cleanest possible data. So when somebody does a search under your name or your brand, Google is so certain about who you are that boom, you wind up first.